Sims. We just landed in the treacherous region of Calvert County. Be your guide for this endeavor. Come on. Trust the psychic. Steel. Any mate.
I'm coming.
Alright, Michael, let's get ready and unloaded.
Alright.
Alright, now we each have our separate backpacks inside this backpack. It's kind of like backpack inception.
Here is my individual backpack.
And here's my individual backpack.
We don't need that anymore.
Alright, let's go. Alright.
The camera.
Let's go. Stories about people that got lost out here and never been found. Rumor says it. A wild jungle cat got them. Said to be about yay high, but still dangerous.
He's put on quite a lot of weight since the last time we were here.
All that food my sister's been giving him. I mean, not my sister. You know her like a sister.
The evil witch of the woods.
Come on, cameraman. Go. Right now, the first thing about survival, you need to make a weapon to defend yourself, like from that jungle cat. So, let's get started. Alright, this is what your first bow should look like. It's made out of the Zamarakian wood and the twine of a Saradomin flower. And as for these arrows I made, polar bear hide and the feathers of a fallen loft wing.
Brandon.
Yeah.
Where'd you get the knife?
What? This knife?
Yeah,
Oh, well,
that knife.
I found it next to a conveniently placed sign that said take knives here. I think it's pretty useful, so I'll keep it.
There's just a sign that says take knives?
Sign about what?
Taking knives?
I don't know.
Who does that?
I do.
Do you?
Yes.
Oh. Well, that's rather odd. Why?
Yes.
Brandon.
What?
Brandon.
What?
It's a wild
Oh my
crocky.
God. Oh, Jesus.
Crocky.
Christ.
It's a wild cube.
Got this.
Get him. Get him.
Scope this giant.
Get him. Oh. Get it. Brandon.
Alright, well, I took a spill, and I got a tad bit dingy, and that cube ran off with my arrow. But luckily, while I was down here, I found some wild nuggets wrapped in tin foil. Keep them warm. Yes.
Oh, look at this.
Lovely.
How did you find this, Brandon?
It's a beaut. Nature skills.
Oh. Oh, look at that meat. Oh, it's so delicious.
Tastes just like chicken.
Oh, I know. Oh. Oh, it's delicious.
Good deal.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
Alright, now that we've restored ourselves with vitamin C, we'll walk. See what's over here.
Brandon.
Hey, what?
What are you?
Sorry about that. Don't mind it. Right. There's a story about a few teenagers a couple of years ago. Came out here really stupid, trying to do a project on some witch. I don't know. But they're all dead now. And I mean, most of the people I talked about are dead. In my stories, they don't survive. That's why I talk about them. But yeah. Oh, over here, you see in the distance, there's the poisonous woodfall swamp. Have you ever come across this? A lot of spores stuck in it. And well, I'm going to show you how to get out. Alright.
Remember, this is an expert.
Don't try this. This is a life or death situation. Alright. Ready? Let's go. And that's how it's done.
Oh, marvelous, marvelous. Onward.
Alright, looks like we're coming towards the end of our journey. I've just been Brandon Sims, and this is our trek through Calvert County. I found some civilization up here. I'm gonna keep going. I'll see you next time. Hello there, I'm Brandon Sims, and I'll be aiding you through this journey. I've got my trusty sidekick, Michael Steele, carrying our supplies. Let's go. Michael, you're so slow.
I know. You fucked up anyway. You're supposed to.
Yeah, well, you're supposed to be
County and all that. Yeah.
Okay, whatever. Hello there, I'm Brandon Sims. We just landed in the treacherous region of Calvert County. I'll be your guide through this journey. I said journey.
What did you say?
I said journey. Alright, this is what your first bow should look like. It's made out of the Zamorakian wood, and the twine is made out of the Samardonian flower. Now, I went out for these arrows. They have polar bear skin and the feathers of a fallen loft wing.
Brennan!
You were supposed to ask about the
Oh, I forgot. Alright. Alright, my bad, my bad.
Alright, looks like we're coming towards the end of our journey. Found some civilization up here. Civilization, I said civilization.